right, what's up this morning? The coach is here, about to coach y'all up on some stuff. Today what we're going to talk about is getting that belly fat down, reducing it by the using of an elixir. This is what we're going to do. Let's get started with this right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with a nice lemon or lime, if it works for you. Then we're going to take that lime and we're going to squeeze it into a shot glass. We're going to squeeze that lime into a shot glass. I already got some in there, so we can kind of move a little forward. But we're going to squeeze this lime into the shot glass. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add 1/8. What's that? Here we go. 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. All right. Gonna add that to this shot glass. That's gonna be followed by 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Gonna pour it in there like that, and then we're gonna drop it in there like so. Okay. Then we're gonna take this little stirrer and we're gonna mix it up real nice. Oh, I forgot one more thing. Hold on. One more thing. The most important thing. One of the most important things is we're gonna add just a little bit of honey. Now, what you want to do is you want to use raw honey. You don't want to get that store-bought stuff. All that's refined and all that, man, is just not good for you. Keep it raw. So there's a few beekeepers around here locally that make it. You can go to the flea market as well and pick it up. But we want to just let that drip in there a little bit. And I know some of you are thinking that that cayenne pepper gonna burn me up, but actually the honey, the lemon, and the olive oil kind of neutralizes the fire, at least going down. And we'll stir this up a little bit and get it going. So you got a nice consistency here. Nice little morning shot glass now. Now what's important, my friends, is that once you drop this down the hatch, you need to eat right after. Don't take 15-20 minutes. Shoot this first on an empty stomach, and then you get something to eat. Now what this is going to do, get into your system, and number one, it's going to energize you. Number two, it's going to get them fires burning early in the morning. First thing in the morning, fires are burning. It's going to open up those arteries, get that blood flowing, more oxygen. More oxygen you get in your body, the healthier you are. Now, it's going to kill those colds, any kind of little cold you may have coming. Fact of the matter is, I've been doing this for a while, and I haven't had a cold in 10 years. Those are the facts. Haven't had a cold in 10 years. Also, got that belly fat down. You'll see that happen overnight. Trust me on this. This is the thing. Get that belly fat down. And then for the men, remember now, when you open those arteries up, that oxygen flowing, more blood flowing, it's going to really help that sex life, brother. Trust me on that. It's going to help that sex life. So here's to all the brothers. Here's to all the ladies out there. Let's get that belly flat down. Let's get that stomach right. Let's get that core. Get that core right. That's what you need. That's the center of life. Here's to you. And you'll feel it. You'll feel it go down. Yeah, that's tight. And after a while, that heat get to kicking. And it's just, you feel it coming all through your ears and through your head, and with that, it's just a burst of energy, baby. It's a burst of energy. So here's to everybody. Monday morning, restore, revive, renew. That's the coach coming to you. I'm out.
Now don't forget, hit that like button, click subscribe, and leave a comment down below.